Today, I'm going to be going over 2 hot, innovative trends in digital marketing so that you can level up your campaigns. Let's dive into it. Item number 1, third-party data targeting. Yes, it's true that these different ad platforms do provide you with audiences. And even recently, Facebook came out with B2B audiences, which is really exciting. Obviously, LinkedIn has B2B audiences. We see that Google has in-market audiences, custom audiences. Each platform has audiences. But in some cases, they lack specifics. That's where third-party audiences come in and data enrichment audiences come in. So item number 1, using third-party data, bringing it to the ad platform and targeting people that way. Now, pro tip, make sure to check with your attorney that this data has been collected in the correct way for your ad campaigns. But why is this powerful? Well, it allows you to target the exact people that you want to go after. If you cannot get access to this data in a legal way, one thing that you can do is generate first-party data yourself opposed to buying third-party data. This can be very easy to do with a fantastic download and some advertising to cold general traffic. Following that, you qualify this traffic by working with a data company like ourselves. Item number 2, let's talk about data enhancement. So some companies out there, which I'll get into, have the ability to match the people on your website to data that they have in their database. They do this by installing a third-party pixel on your website, and then because they have data in their database, they're able to tell you if somebody from their database is actually on your website. Clearbit, Seamless AI, and LeadSpace all do some version of this. So should you be using data enhancement tools on your website? I'll leave that up to you to decide, and certainly, again, check with your legal team on what you can do there. Some of this does involve your privacy policy and what you disclose to people who come to your website and how you're going to be using the data. But long story short, there are these third-party data enhancement companies that will allow you to find everybody who comes to your website, like a Clearbit, like a Seamless AI, like a LeadSpace, who all have slightly different capabilities in this area, by the way. But with this information, you can use it for things such as paid media, not email marketing, because somebody has to opt into your list there, and just giving them a good old-fashioned phone call. The purpose of this video is to let you know what things are possible out there. Third-party data, enhancing that data with more information, organizing that data, using data enrichment companies like a Clearbit. That's it for 2 hot trends in digital marketing today. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below. I'll be happy to answer if I can. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.